Now in Westmoreland, residents in Whitehouse are appealing for urgent help. Yannick Williams has the details.
A life uprooted. Russell Ty says he's left traumatized after Hurricane Melissa ripped through Whitehouse in Westmoreland. It's one of the area's hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa in Westmoreland Eastern.
We have no electricity, we have no water, power lines are down. We have no way to communicate. The only reason you're able to communicate with me is because I have a Starlink, and I'm one of the only people on the scheme here who has a Starlink. So people have been having to come to me to connect, to charge. The gas station is destroyed. We can't get any gas from the gas station. The police station is destroyed. The police are having to sleep outside on mattresses.
The community is not accessible as trees and other debris have blocked all major thoroughfares. He says Melissa's strong winds blew away houses, broke concrete, and flipped containers and vehicles.
There's no other way to describe this. I've never seen anything like this. This is what we see when we experience on news what other people have experienced when getting a hard hurricane. I've never seen this level of destruction, that there are no trees left. You cannot look in a direction and see green on a tree.
Mr. Tai believes the parish needs urgent attention and is disappointed by the recovery response so far.
I would say to Mr. Andrew Holness, instead of flying above us here in Whitehouse, I'm sure that he can land on the cricket strip that he has landed on before, or other persons have landed on. The JDF helicopter has been landing in front of my house many different times before. They can send help. We need help. We need gas, we need water, we need food, we need as much help as we can get.
He says any help would be accepted at this time. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.